This is the unboxing of the brand new X431. Comes with all these accessories. Let's see here. Comes with programmer, the X4 3. As well as a variety of chip readers and other accessories. These come in handy for a variety of different functions, Immobilizer work, and doing chip reading and cloning. A bunch of different adapters for different leads for different modules. This is for Mercedes, which comes in handy. So then we have this guy. Let's see here. There's the on button. And here's your dongle interface to connect to the cars. While it's putting up, I'll look at this other stuff. Got your interface cable and some other adapters for different things. Looks like for connecting to some of the overseas markets for the charging. You see here all the different functions. Got Immobilizer, programming, key programmer, as well as diagnostic work and remote functions. I will have to make another video on actually comparing this to a couple of my other tools, including Auto and Think Tool, as well as, of course, the venerable Snap-on.